Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make dinner in less than 30 minutes. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So here in my bowl guys, I have about 3 pounds of sliced chicken breast. We're gonna heat it with salt, black pepper, chili flakes. We're gonna also add in garlic powder, paprika, then drizzle with olive oil. Give it a good mix, then heat straight to the stove. The measurements and ingredients will all be listed in the description box down below the video. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, heat oil. As soon as the oil starts sizzling, add the chicken, then cook 2 minutes on each side. After 2 minutes, flip the chicken breast, then continue to cook for another 2 minutes. The chicken breast looks done guys. Now we're gonna remove them, place them in a plate, cover with the foil, then set aside. In the same skillet, we're gonna add peppers, onions. Then we're gonna season with garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. Stir fry for about 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add cherry tomatoes. Continue to stir fry until the tomatoes burst open. Then we're gonna go ahead and add fresh dill. Guys, the dill takes this dish to another level. The vegetables are done guys. It's time to serve dinner. I'm going to serve this with rice and beetroot. Guys, if you want to know how to make rice, I'll leave the link for the video of how to make rice somewhere up here. Go check it out. Or you can serve it with pasta. Pasta takes only 10 to 11 minutes. That's why I'm saying this takes only 30 minutes and you have dinner on your table. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so we stay connected. Guys, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Also, it helps this channel to grow. Thanks for watching. Until next time guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye my honey.